Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all of you. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग?
Ma'am, we all are fine.
हम अच्छे
Fine.
मैम।
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Now, children, we have completed chapter. Which chapter we have completed? Anyone will tell me?
मैम चैप्टर नंबर
मैम
19
20 कंप्लीट हो गया।
मैम 20
Chapter number 20 we have completed. I think we have not completed it.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
क्वेश्चन ऐसा
Yes.
बाकी है और मैच द फ्लोइंग।
I think we have completed Gautam Buddha. Christianity is left, isn't it?
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम क्रिश्चियनिटी इज लेफ्ट
बाकी है
Christianity
मैम
is
आधा।
left. Open page number 167. Page number 167. Christianity. Okay. Jesus was the founder of Christian
रीड
religion.
करो।
No, पहले इसको हम कंप्लीट कर देते हैं, उसके बाद रीडिंग होगा. Jesus was the founder of Christian religion. Christianity is based on the life and teaching of Jesus Christ. He was born in Bethlehem, a village of Jerusalem. एक जगह है जेरूसलम, वहीं के एक गांव में उनका जन्म हुआ था. ठीक है, जीसस क्राइस्ट का. His mother name was Mary and his foster father was Joseph. जैविक पिता का नाम था. We don't know much about his early life up to 30 years, except that he worked along with his father, a carpenter, in Nazareth. वो कहते नाजरेथ एक जगह है जहाँ वो काम करते थे कारपेंटर का अपने पिताजी के साथ. उतना ही तक का मतलब नॉलेज है. There is not very much knowledge about his early 30 years life. Near Bethlehem, during this period, it is said that he performed certain miracles before the people and claimed that he was the Son of God. He preached that there is only one God. He gave his message to the people in simple language in the form of stories. He emphasized मतलब जोर देते थे, emphasized that God is the great healer and he loves his people just as a father loves his children. भगवान जो है अगर कोई हम लोग को दुख देते हैं तो उसको दूर भी करते हैं कहता है, और भगवान अपने बच्चों को उसी तरह प्यार करते हैं जैसे एक पिता अपने बच्चों को करते हैं. He was fearless and spoke freely against the existing evils of the society. Some of the orthodox people and the rich become his enemies. मिराकल का मतलब होता है चमत्कार करना. मिराकल का मतलब होता है. He called himself as the king of Jews. वो अपने आप को क्या कहते थे? यहूदियों का राजा, king of Jews. So he was considered as a rebel by Roman ruler. इसलिए उनको जो है रोमन के जो राज्य के जो शासक थे उनको उन्होंने विद्रोही मान लिया. He then nailed to a cross and killed. तब उनको क्या किया गया? क्रॉस पे लटका दिया गया और सूली पर लटका दिया गया और मार दिया गया. Since then the cross has become a sacred symbol of the Christian. उसके बाद कहता है उसी समय से क्रॉस जो है क्रिश्चियंस का एक सेक्रेट सिंबल बन गया, पवित्र चिन्ह. सेक्रेट का मतलब पवित्र चिन्ह बन गया. The sacred day of his death is called Good Friday. ऑर्थोडॉक्स का मतलब होता है कि वो लोग जो कि एक ही तरह की चीजों को पुरानपंथी लोग जिनको कहेंगे, they are known as the Orthodox. And prayers are offered on this day. It is believed that Jesus Christ came back to life after 3 days and then left for his family. जिंदा हो गए थे, उसके बाद मृत्यु. This event is celebrated as Easter every year. इस इवेंट को हर साल ईस्टर के रूप में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. The birth of Christ is celebrated all over the world on 25th December every year as Christmas. this is the biggest festival of Christians. The Christian era started from first CE. Scriptures and teaching. अब उनका क्या क्या था? Jesus Christ was born to serve the purpose of God, that is love for the sick and the old, to remove sin from this world, to hate the sin but not the sinner. The holy book of Christian is Bible. It has two parts. Old Testament, it contains history of the religious beliefs of the Jew. New Testament, it contains biography and teaching of Jesus Christ. Now, start reading all of you of this chapter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I read?
बोलिए. Yes.
जीसस क्राइस्ट को मारने के बाद उनको गॉड माना गया या फिर जब उन्होंने ये प्रूफ कर दिया कि वो गॉड है तब? उनके मरने से पहले या मरने के बाद उन्हें गॉड की तरह पूजा गया?
वो उस समय पॉपुलरिटी होने लगा गॉड, और मरने के बाद और पॉपुलर हो गए, लेकिन पॉपुलर तो अपने लाइफ टाइम में ही हो रहे थे, तभी तो उनको मार दिया गया.
ओके
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
नाउ स्टार्ट रीडिंग. हु विल? कौस्तुभ नारायण. चलिए स्टार्ट
Yes,
करिए.
ma'am.
कौस्तुभ नारायण.
Ma'am, from first page.
यस, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट पेज.
Hinduism. Hinduism is the oldest religion of the world. It is also known as Sanatan Dharma. It is so old that its founder's name or the specific period is not known. The name Hinduism was given to it only at a later stage. Some of the gods and goddesses worshipped today were there in the Harappan civilization or even earlier to it. Shivling, Pashupatinath, Mother Goddess, sacred signs of swastik and worship of trees and plants help us to prove this point.
ओके. कौस्तुभ के बाद हु विल स्टडी? अर्कजा. अर्कजा.
Yes, ma'am. Hinduism believes in one supreme God who is present in every living thing, that is, humans, animals, plants, etc. It allows its followers to worship the supreme God in any form or in any way way they like. Hinduism believes that there are three ways to attain moksha. Number 1, Karma Yoga. Number 2, Gyan Yoga. And number 3, Bhakti Yoga. Devotion and surrender to the supreme God.
वेरी गुड. अर्कजा. अभी ज्ञान सिन्हा. नाउ अभी ज्ञान सिन्हा. अभी ज्ञान सिन्हा, आर यू इन द क्लास?
Ma'am, he
No.
is muted.
आकाश राज.
Yes, ma'am.
यस, स्टार्ट रीडिंग. डू यू नो भी पढ़ लीजिए, उसके बाद नीचे का पढ़िएगा. पहले डू यू नो पढ़िए. गणेश इज रिगार्डेड
Ganesh
एज
is regarded as removal of all
ऑब्स्टेकल्स.
obstacles,
हाँ.
Vigna Vinasak. Every religion function start with the worship of Ganesh.
यस.
Asriti, creation is governed by three gods known as Tridev, that is Brahman, Vishnu and Mahesh. Brahma is considered the creator, Vishnu the preserver, and Mahesh or Shiva the destroyer. Destroyer. Shiva is also known as the originator by music and dance. He is Nataraj. The
He is
other
called
gods
Nataraj.
worship.
Okay. Okay. Now, Janvi. 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 अभी
Ma'am,
ज्ञान सिन्हा.
Hariom.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Janvi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start reading.
मैम मैम मैं लैपटॉप में मैम लेटने काम कर रहा था मैम, इसलिए नहीं मैम बोल पा रहा था मैम. अभी मैं मोबाइल से किया हूँ कनेक्ट.
Okay. Start
मैम
now. अभी ज्ञान.
सृष्टि creation is governed by three gods
ये
known
हो गया
as
था.
three
ये
देव.
हो गया था. ये अब
Abhigyan,
आकाश
the
पढ़ दिया था.
other gods worshipped.
The
यहाँ
other
से start
gods
करना है.
worshipped by the नटराज
मैम
के
मैं अभी
नीचे का
क्लास
लाइन.
में नहीं रहा था. मैम मैं अभी क्लास में नहीं था मैम, इसलिए नहीं पता।
ओके, द अदर
मैम अभी
गॉड्स होगा। हाँ, वहां से
ओके
स्टार्ट करिए। हाँ,
ओके मैम।
चलिए। अभिज्ञान,
Ma'am, he is not audible.
अभिज्ञान,
Ma'am,
Yes,
he is
ma'am,
not
yes.
audible.
मैम मेरा वॉइस मैम my voice is
आर यू फीलिंग ट्रबल?
Ma'am, he is muted.
hello मैम। the ma'am is my voice is clear?
Yes, you are audible.
Now your voice is coming clear, but in between you are muted. You
Aja, please go. Please. हाँ
Abhigyan.
Janvi, are you in the class? Or Ritik Raj? Ritik Raj?
Yes,
Sanskar
ma'am.
Sri?
मैम
हाँ,
मैं
start करिए। Ritik Raj, you start it. Ritik Raj.
यस मैम,
Yes.
कहाँ से पढ़ना है मैम? मैं वॉशरूम चले गया था।
The other
Oh.
gods say.
The other gods worshipped by the Hindus are Rama, Krishna, Ganesh, son of Shiva and Parvati, Hanuman, devotee of Rama, and goddess Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kali, Parvati, and many others. Hindu philosophy deals with the subjects as what is God, what is soul, where does man go after death, and so on. The Upanishads and the greatest worship of philosophy which explain Atma, Paramatma, and God. Hindu philosophy reached that soul is immortal. It never dies. When it leaves one body, it enters the other body. This is called the cycle of birth and rebirth.
Okay, okay. बहुत
मैम
बढ़िया.
इस यस मैम मेरा वॉइस ठीक है मैम।
Okay, start now.
Hinduism
Yes.
emphasizes non-violence, Asmara Paramo Dharma, brotherhood, love and care for all living beings of the world. Virtue of tolerance towards all faiths and religions are harmonious, living and peaceful relation among the people without any distinction. It believes and preaches the doctrine of Vasudhaiva
Kutumbakam.
Kutumbakam.
Kutumbakam. That is all people living on this earth are like one family, and we all are the equal of this family. And Sarva Dharma Sambhava, which means that all religions are equal.
बहुत बढ़िया. Abhimanyu Singh. Abhimanyu Singh, are you listening? Abhimanyu Singh. Anika Shri. Anika Shri. Anika Shri.
Ma'am, can we read again?
Sasank Shekhar.
Ma'am, may I read? Prithvi Sangam.
Who is there? Prithvi Sangam. Yes, start करिए. Prithvi Sangam.
Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism is the ancient religion of Iran. Zarathustra or Zoroaster, that prophet of Persia, Iran, founded this religion around 6th century BCE. The followers of this religion are known as Parsis. It is one of the oldest religions of the world. According to Zoroastrianism, there is only one God who is known as Ahur Mazda. He is the god of good forces, that is light and wisdom. Evil is represented as Ahriman. There is always a tussle between the two, and the ultimate winner is the good force. This religion teaches to follow the right deeds, right thinking, and right speech, as in Jainism and Buddhism.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Next, who will study? Raise hand. Raise hand. Who will study? Hari Om Kumar. Okay,
Yes,
Hari Om
ma'am.
Kumar. Yes, start reading.
Each person right or God. Action are more than the evil. He goes to the heaven, otherwise to the hell. Zoroastrians offer prayers in the front of fire. They worship sun and fire. Scriptures. Their holy books is Avestha. It contains
Gathas.
scared Gathas scared song in the Parsi of Zoroaster, which are recited
Recited.
every day. Recited
Recited.
every day. Judaism. Judaism is the religion followed by Jews and or
Hebrews.
Hebrews. The Hebrews first lived in Mesopotamia. Abraham was their leader.
Abraham was their leader.
They
Huh.
later migrated to Palestine.
Philistine.
Palestine. Hebrews established their United States in Palestine, where Jerusalem
Huh.
as their capital in 70 CE. Many Jews left Palestine and settled in different parts of world.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Sanskar Sri. Will you study? Anika Sri. I think both of us, they are not in the class. They never respond. Mahi Kumari.
Yes,
Mahi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mahi, start reading.
The Jurassian believe in single God, Joha,
That is Geo. बोलिए.
Jo, Yah,
हाँ.
where he loved his people but
Punished.
punished
हाँ.
the wrong doors or the doers or the
Sinners.
sinners. They believe in the coming of
Mashiach.
Mashiach on the earth to purify the
Hebrews.
Hebrews and clears the world of all sins. Later on,
Christians and Muslims.
Christians and Muslims always follow the doctrines
Also followed the doctrine of monotheistic
religion.
Okay, Mahi. Or who wants to read? Raise your hand. Janvi, class 6A.
I'm
Janvi,
Jayant.
Ritik Raj, are you listening? Okay, start
Yes, ma'am.
reading. Ritik Raj, start reading.
Scriptures, Old Testament and the ma'am, what is this?
And Apocrypha.
Apocrypha and their scared books. These scriptures contain the history of Jews and the rules to be followed by every Jew. They also contain legends and poetic verse to teach them the right way to live. They contain knowledge of medicine and astronomy. The people are supposed to offer prayers to God every day. The Jewish temple is known as Sangor.
After this, who will read? कौस्तुभ पढ़ लिया, पृथ्वी अर्कजा पढ़ लिया, विज्ञान पढ़ लिया, आकाश पढ़ लिया, आकाश राज पढ़ लिया, और ये तो नेम लेने से कोई पढ़ता ही नहीं है। रौनक कुमार,
मैम शशांक शेखर।
शशांक, ओके, शशांक शेखर, स्टार्ट रीडिंग। शशांक शेखर,
Yes, ma'am. Jainism.
yes,
According to Jain traditions, there were 24 Tirthankars. The first Tirthankars was Rishabh Dev. There is lack of authentic information about the first 22 Tirthankars. The 23rd Tirthankar was Parshavnath. He belonged to the royal family of Kashi Vanarasi in UP. He left his house and carried on hard penance for 84 days, after which he attained supreme knowledge. His teaching were to adopt non-violence, not to tell a lie, not to steal anything, not to own property. He preached that to attain moksha, penance was a must. Later, his teachings became the doctrines of Jainism. His spiritual successor was Mahavir. The earlier name of
बहुत
Mahavir was
अच्छा,
Vardhaman.
very good, शशांक शेखर। जानवी, जानवी कुमारी, नो, व्योम सिंह, आर्नव सिंह, ताबिश अली, आर्या बस,
Ma'am, can we read again?
yes,
Ma'am, no one is responding. Ma'am, can we read again?
कौस्तुभ is asking,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, चलिए
But there is
कौस्तुभ,
also Jayant Kumar who have not read and he has
कौस्तुभ
read.
start now,
Yes, ma'am. The earlier name of Mahavir was Vardhaman. He was born in 540 BCE. The name of his father was Siddhartha. He left his royal home at the age of 30 years. After great meditation, he attended Kaivalya or supreme knowledge, through which he conquered the feeling of pleasure and the pain. He was known as Jin Dev and his followers were known as Jains. He left for his heavenly abode at the age of 72 in the year 468 BCE at Pawapuri in Bihar.
okay, now पृथ्वी संगम,
Yes, ma'am. Vardhaman Mahavir preached the same teachings as his predecessor and added a fifth one, that is to follow brahmacharya,
Ma'am,
not
Sanskar
to
Sri is
marry.
there.
He wanted his followers to discard wearing clothes. Later on, Jainism was divided into two sects: Digambars, who do not wear clothes, and the Shvetambars, who wear only white clothes. Mahavir suggested 3 ways to attain moksha. These were: first, right faith; second, right action; third, right knowledge. These are known as Tri Ratna or three jewels. He laid great importance on ahimsa or non-violence in one's life. He believed
okay,
that
okay,
every
okay,
living being.
okay, now अभिज्ञान सिन्हा,
Ma'am, what is the meaning of abode?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
He believed that every living being has a soul, hence they should be protected and not killed. Scriptures. Kalpa Sutra in Sanskrit is famous book of Jainism. It contains biographies of 24 Tirthankars and the rules to be observed by the Jain Munis. Hemchandra was one of the most famous Jain writers. The most famous example of Jain scripture is 70 feet high statue on a hilltop in मैम वैसे क्या पढ़ेंगे? हिल टॉप इन के बाद
एबॉर्ड का मतलब ऊपर स्वर्ग के तरफ जाने का, उसको एबॉर्ड। हाँ, क्या बोले थे?
मैम
हाँ।
70 फीट हाई स्टैचू ऑन ए हिल टॉप इन, उसके बाद क्या लिखा है मैम?
श्रावण बेलगोला, श्रावण बेलगोला।
श्रावण बेलगोला,
हाँ, इन
श्रावण
कर्नाटका
बेलगोला
स्टेट।
in Karnataka state.
हाँ।
Jainism follows mainly in
Flourish.
western and south.
हाँ,
Flourished.
हाँ,
And southern India, that is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Malwa, Odisha, and etc.
डू यू नो पढ़िए।
Mahatma Gandhi based India's struggle of freedom on basic principle of ahimsa and non-violence.
ओके ओके ओके। नेक्स्ट इज
Ma'am, can I read Buddhism?
हु इज देयर?
Can I
Who
read
is
some?
asking?
Shank.
संस्कार श्री पढ़िए।
Yes, ma'am.
On your camera.
यस
Ma'am, Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. His real name was Siddhartha. He was born in 563 BC at Lumbini in Tarai of Nepal. His father was Shuddhodhan and his mother was Mahamaya. He was the only child of his parents. When he grew up, he was married to Yashodhara. He had a son Rahul. He was totally detached from all the worldly affairs. He realized that worldly goods could not give him real happiness. So he left his home in search of truth and real happiness.
ओके
At the
गुड।
age
संस्कार
of
श्री, ओके ओके संस्कार श्री। जानवी,
okay,
जानवी,
Yes.
जानवी, आर यू लिसनिंग?
Yes,
Janvi.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now start reading, Janvi. Janvi, have you any problem?
I think so. It is network issue.
Janvi, you are not in the class. Yes, she is now out of the class. Byom Singh, Byom Singh. Byom Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
you start reading. Byom Singh. Chaliye.
At the age of 35, when he was sitting under a peepal tree in Gaya, Bihar, he got the enlightenment and realized the truth and become Buddha. That is the enlightened one. He then burst in
Priest,
doctrine,
priest, priest.
preached his doctrines for 45 years. He passed away at the age of 80. He in 483 BCE at Kushinagar, UP, Gautam Buddha realized that the real cause of misery is
Desire, desire.
desire.
Yes.
He expressed four noble truths as the way to overcome desires. These are the following.
Hmm.
This world is full of mysteries. All suffering are caused by desires. To remove the sufferings, one should overcome the desires, and only the nirvana can be attained.
Okay, good. बहुत बढ़िया।
Ma'am,
Very
what is
nice.
the meaning of nirvana?
निर्वाणा का मतलब मुक्ति मान लो उसको, और क्या। वो जैन में वो नाम निर्वाण की प्राप्ति होने का मतलब क्या होता है? ज्ञान, इसका भगवान में मिलना, submission of God, that is the nirvana. Shivam Raj. Shivam Raj. 4A. Shivam Raj. 4A. Shivam Raj. No. Shivam Raj. Not in the class, I think. Aniket Anand. Aniket Anand.
Ma'am, Jayant not is it.
Jayant. Jayant.
Yes, ma'am.
Jayant.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading Jayant now.
The desire can be removed by the following the Agni.
अष्टांगिका. अष्टांगिका बोलिए. अष्टांगिका.
और
बोलिए. अष्टांगिका. अष्टांगिका बोलिए.
Angika.
हाँ, यस. अष्टांगिका मार्ग.
Right
बोलिए.
observation, right livelihood, right thinking, right determination, right speech, right exercise, right meditation. Buddha declared that if one follows the eightfold path, he can attain the desired goal that is moved without the help of any result
Rituals.
or
Any rituals. बोलिए rituals.
rituals.
जयंत rituals बोलो.
Rituals.
Or the priest.
Or
Priest
the priest. Priest. He played
yes.
type of middle part to attend nirvana.
Nirvana. To attain nirvana. Okay, जयंत. जयंत के बाद संस्कार श्री तो पढ़ लिया लगता है. माही. अनिका श्री. अनिका श्री. अनिका श्री. अनिका श्री. अनिकेत आनंद. और सहर श्रेष्ठ. सहर श्रेष्ठ. नो. हरिओम कुमार. हरिओम कुमार.
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़िए.
Jesus was the founder of Christian's religion. Christianity is based on the
अभी बुद्धा का पूरा बुद्धिज्म का खत्म नहीं हुआ था. उसका ऊपर वाला पेज नंबर 167 का सेकंड पैराग्राफ पढ़ना था.
Yes, ma'am. Buddha declared that if one follows the eightfold path, he can attain the desired goal. Example, moksha without the help of any rituals or the
rituals. बोलिए rituals.
Rituals or the priest. He believed in the of middle path to against attained nirvana. Scripture. Mahatma Buddha was silent on the extents of God and discarded caste-based. He organized sanghas which were open to all. Buddha teaching are complied in
Tripitak. हाँ.
It
बोलिए.
contains rules of monks, sermons for the people of Buddhist philosophy. It is in 3 parts.
Yes.
Buddhism spread over to Sri Lanka, Burma, China, Nepal, Southeast Asia country there like Vietnam, Cambodia,
Vietnam, Cambodia, like Vietnam, Cambodia. बोलिए.
Thailand, etc. King Ashoka and Kanishka took special interest in popularizing the doctrines of Buddhism in India as well as abroad.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। आप लोग इस लेसन को पढ़िएगा, इसका कीवर्ड्स भी पढ़ेंगे आप लोग। कीवर्ड्स को कॉपी में लिखिएगा, होमवर्क कॉपी में। इन माय टुमारो क्लास आई विल लिसन स्पेलिंग्स फ्रॉम कीवर्ड्स का सारा आप लोगों से पूछेंगे। किसी को कुछ पूछना है? एनीवन है वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग? एनीवन हु वांट्स टू आस्क?
Ma'am, what is
Question?
the meaning of orthodox?
ऑर्थोडॉक्स का मतलब होता है कि वो लोग जो कि पुरानी बातों को, परंपरावादी बातों को मानने वाले, जो चला आ रहा है उसको चेंज नहीं करना है, उसी को मानना है, फॉलो करना है। और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है, क्वेरी है?
No,
एनीवन
ma'am.
हैज क्वेश्चन? किसी का?
No, ma'am.
एनीवन? नो। अगर है तो पूछ लीजिए। इफ एनीवन हैज एनी क्वेश्चन with the chapter may ask it.
No, ma'am.
किसी का है कोई क्वेरी? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Isn't it? What is the homework? Repeat करिए तो। अभिज्ञान सिन्हा, repeat the homework.
Ma'am, learn the keywords
Learn the keywords.
and
सारे लोग
write in
keywords अच्छी तरह
and write in homework copy.
ठीक है। दिगंबर का मतलब देखिए, आकाश राज पूछ रहे दिगंबर, एक श्वेतांबर जो पूरा उजले कपड़े पहनते हैं। दिगंबर का मतलब कोई कपड़े नहीं पहनते। दिस इज द मीनिंग।
मैम ये लिखा भी हुआ है मैम।
यस, लिखा भी हुआ है। यस, नाउ ओके, हैव अ गुड डे।
Have a nice